We just changed the topic of my video. Hey, gorgeous. Oh, don't fly away. Well, hey everybody. I just am coming out here. It's freaking gorgeous outside. And just don't mind this because that's usually got birdseed all over it, and it still does right now. This is what's left. Oh, do you hear them? I mean, it is so beautiful out here today. Look at this. Don't mind that noise. I do not even care. Look at the sky is actually clear and blue. Like what? Oh my gosh. I got my papaya. What is that noise? Good heavens. Got my papaya. I'm having my white legs are in the sun. I'm not going to show you those. They're too white. They'll blind the camera. Oh my gosh. It's magnificent out here. Oh. So beautiful. Listen to my friends singing. I can feel that bird song healing my soul. And the sun. Ah, angel of the sun. Oh, I feel the sun. This feels so good on my body. It has been raining here for like 2 freaking weeks. It's been raining, cloudy, raining, cloudy, raining, cloudy. I am so happy to have the sun on my body right now. On my white pasty legs. Oh man, on my arms, on my face. Angel of the sun. Please help my thyroid soak up all this delicious sunshine. It's the hawk. Oh my god. Oh my god, my babies. It's one of the hawks. There's somebody up there too. Ooh, I can't see you. I can't see. There's somebody way up there. I don't know what I was saying. We saw 3 hawks today. There's usually 2, and I think they have a baby. I think there's a baby. Because we saw 3. I'm just gonna sit out here, eat this papaya. I've been on such a papaya kick lately. I cannot get enough of it. And they cannot ripen fast enough for me. So sometimes I dig into them before they're, like a day before they're ready, but I don't care. Oh my gosh. Anyway, I just had to share this. Well, hello, baby. Yeah, the finches are the brave ones. They're like, yeah, we don't care that you're sitting there. We're just gonna join you. Thanks for the snacks. Snacky, snacky, snacky. It's the littlest birds that are the bravest birds. They are the least afraid of me, is the tiny ones. Although I will say that the brown-headed cowbird, she's kind of a medium size. She's not afraid of me either, the female. She's just like, oh, I see you here, but I'm gonna eat. You don't bother me. I'm not afraid of you. I know you're the lady who feeds us. Oh, sorry. I'm not watching my phone, I'm just talking. So wherever it's pointed. Okay, let me eat this papaya.